It's the toner we all know and love, but do you know how it's made? Let's dive deep into how we create the viral Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-Tight toner. So step 1 is to harvest fresh cactus water. Fun fact, even though toner is made in Korea, we source all of our organic cactus from Mexico. Once received, we immediately move the cacti to chill. Now we're going to wash, cut, peel, and grind all of the cactus to prepare for extraction. Here's the behind-the-scenes look of how our leftover cactus becomes fertilizer. We use a special filtration process, and then we're left with super hydrating cactus water. This is what gives our toner its stretchy texture. And voila, cactus water complete. Now let's create watermelon extract. Watermelon is made of 92% water and is jam-packed with nourishing ingredients. We peel each watermelon and cut it into slices, and then remove seeds by hand, one by one. It's truly an art form. Then we extract all vitamins and nutrients from the watermelon fruit to create juicy watermelon extract. Here's a look at the final watermelon extract in our lab. Now let's mix the ingredients. Watermelon moisturizes, plumps, and soothes skin. Cactus hydrates skin. Tea tree helps clean pores and soothe irritation. PHA provides retexturing and smoothing results. BHA decongests clogged pores. Hyaluronic acid quenches thirsty skin. Mix it all together and you have our Watermelon Glow Pore-Tight toner. Here's a large vat filled with toner. Now that we have completed our toner bulk, it's time to fill and package. Here we are placing bottles into their molds, filling each bottle to the determined amount, and capping to seal the deal. All of our toner bottles are made with 20% recycled glass and are 100% recyclable, and each glass bottle is tinted with a UV protective overlay to help prolong the longevity of the products. Now let's package into cartons. All of our cardboard cartons are made with recycled paper and printed with soy ink. They are also 100% recyclable. Now you know how the Holy Grail Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore-Tight toner is made. Until next time, get your glow on.